Hello everyone, I'm Grace, in charge of bags and I'm also your assistant. Today's theme is to introduce the biggest origin of Chinese bags, select the right bag style and Chinese sellers for South African business people, and teach you how to find the best-selling products in South Africa on ShopShipShake. I hope this video will be helpful for you to buy bags. Keep an eye on ShopShipShake and give a like, as well as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to get valuable information at the first time. The largest manufacturing base of bags in China is Guangdong Province. The bag industry is mainly distributed in Huadu District, Hanyu District, other districts of Guangzhou and Shenzhen. The bags industry gathering area of Guangdong Province with geographical advantages because of near to Hong Kong, the latest information, so the product design and the varieties. In addition, the bags industry in Guangdong Province is famous for its complete industrial chain, and its role and the auxiliary materials market scale is very large. Production and sales account for about a third of the country. Zhejiang is the second largest leather bag production province, accounting for a quarter of the national leather bag production. Leather goods industry is one of the traditional industries in Zhejiang, characterized by low processing cost and fine workmanship. It is mainly distributed in Yiwu, Haining. As one of the most dynamic and strongest export regions in Zhejiang province, Yiwu is known as the first city in China and has been ranked the first among the top 10 trade markets in China for 11 years. In the past, people would go to Guangdong or Zhejiang to purchase wholesale products, but now with the development of the e-commerce industry, going from offline to online has become a trend of buying and selling products. China has the largest online wholesale platform. From the website, we can see that the price of bags ranges from a few rands to 100 rands, with a variety of products and customers' choice. Then how to use a lower price to choose the right style and good quality. I believe that is also a lot of sellers concerned about the problem. In order to know more about the style of bags that South African people like, I chat with South African customers through WhatsApp. Most South African customers like large bags such as mommy bags, backpacks, carrying bags, or bags with enough storage space. These bags are really priced between 50 rands and 100 rands on ShopShipShake. But we also found that the best-selling bags on ShopShipShake are really cheap and small bags, really priced between 10 rands and 30 rands, which may be because they are cheap, so they are wholesaling. So any bags have its own advantages and disadvantages. The big bag will not be very cheap, small bags is not necessarily practical. How to choose to buy depends on the characteristics of the seller's own shop and customer demand. In fact, a better way to buy a good bag is to look at the current popular bag from the South African popular shopping website. Download the picture and use the image search on ShopShipShake to find the same or similar bag. Search from Zendo and Jordan. I believe you will find the price on ShopShipShake is far lower than the price of the local sale in South Africa. Now, I will show you some good wholesaling bags on ShopShipShake to show you more details. Hope you like.
Oh, I can't believe he loves me like he does. He takes my hand and flies my heart to the moon. That's what it's like when he's loving you. Oh, I can't believe he holds me like he does. You think that I could act my age, but it's true. I'm like a child when I'm loving you.
And that's it for today. Hope it's helpful for you. For any questions, please contact me. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.